Hello friends, India Budget 2017 5 steps to discourage cash transactions. In the budget 2017-18, certain steps have been initiated or introduced to discourage cash transactions. These steps include: number 1, no person in India will receive an amount of rupees 3 lakh or more in cash in aggregate from another person in a single day, in respect of a single transaction, or in respect of transactions relating to one event. According to provisions of newly introduced Section 269 ST of Income Tax Act, the maximum amount which can be received in cash in aggregate from a person in single transaction or in respect of transaction relating to one event is less than rupees 3 lakh. If a person violates this provision, if there is a contravention of this provision, penalty can be up to equal to the amount so received. So this is the restriction and this is the penalty. Now, second restriction. If a person is doing business under Section 35 AD, any expenditure in cash above rupees 10,000 will not be allowed as deduction from income while computing profit for income tax purpose. Business enterprises, they earn profit and they make payment of income tax. While calculating those profits, the expenses are excluded from the turnover. If expenses amount is above rupees 10,000 in cash, then that particular expenditure will not be allowed as reduction from income while computing profit for income tax purpose. So this means no cash payment above rupees 10,000 in case the expenditure is to be deducted out of income for claiming income tax rebate. Another transaction. An expenditure incurred for purchasing a capital asset in cash above rupees 10,000 shall be ignored to determine actual cost of such asset. The assets purchased by business organization, here we are talking about capital assets, fixed asset. The benefit of depreciation is available on those assets and the depreciation is calculated on the actual cost of such asset. If expenditure incurred on purchasing that asset in cash is above rupees 10,000, then that amount will not be included in actual cost of such asset. In other words, we can say the value of that asset will be reduced to that extent and no depreciation will be available on that. Number 4. Under Section 80G of Income Tax Act, the persons are allowed to make donations and claim certain deductions. If donation is made in cash for an amount of rupees 2,000 and more, then that will not be permitted. Previously this amount was rupees 10,000 in cash. So cash donations above rupees 2,000 will not be permitted under Section 80G of Income Tax Act. And the last one, under Section 13A of Income Tax Act, political parties cannot accept donations in cash for rupees 2,000 above. Previously, this amount was virtually rupees 20,000 and above. But with these provisions, the maximum amount of donation in cash can be rupees less than 2,000. Donation of rupees 2,000 and above, this can be given in bank check or demand draft, etc. Well friends, these were the steps which have been introduced in India Budget 2017-18 to discourage cash transaction. I'm sure the contents of this video will benefit you. Thank you for watching the video.